This is the second video I am doing on the series How to Grow Bitterleaf from Seeds. In the first video, I shared with you all the secrets on how to get the bitterleaf seeds to germinate. So now that our bitterleaf seeds have germinated, what do we do next? Watch this video and find out. Of course, I'm going to link up the first video showing you how to get the seeds to germinate in the description box below if you're interested. And as always, I want to sincerely thank you for your encouragement and your support for subscribing to this channel. Please, if this video adds value to you, if my content adds value to you, I would appreciate a like, I would appreciate a comment, and I would appreciate a share. I hope that the information that I share here earns your subscription. Thank you so much. Hey everybody, welcome back to YAJE'S Garden. YAJE here with another gardening video. So I'm here working on my bitter leaf starts. These are my bitter leaf plants that I started from seeds on the 29th of January. Today is March the 24th. So it's been about 8 weeks since I started these from seeds, and I am transplanting them or repotting them or uppotting them or pricking them, which just means that I'm trying to decongest what I have going on here. I think I planted too many seeds in this container. I always do, but it's time to put them into a bigger container. That way the plant can have more nutrients, which is what I am doing. I have a nursery bag here, which I have filled with potting mix soil. And this bag is big, so I'm putting 2 plants in here. What I am doing is simply, let me show you. Oh, feel free to buy me coffee, okay? Anyhow, so it's a painstaking process of taking one tiny plant from here and then moving that in here. I just pinch the roots. I'm trying to get the big ones. Okay, take one, put in here, and then press the roots together. This is the broadleaf bitter leaf. It's a lot of bitter leaf, guys. I'm trying not to waste any, but at this point, I'm not going to be able to transplant or uppot all of them. So far, I have done 1836, and there's like, I don't know how many more to go. So yeah, guys, that is what you do. That is the next step. About 8 weeks after germination, go ahead and repot or uppot your bitter leaf starts. They're still too young to go directly in the garden. So I have them in these containers. They will continue to grow maybe for another 3 to 4 weeks. And then I will move them either into another container or in ground. Bitter leaves do well in containers as well. I have grown these in like 5-gallon grow bags. I put like 2 stems in there and they did absolutely well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for leaving a comment. I hope I earn your subscription and maybe a share. Thank you so much. Until next time, happy gardening. Grow a garden. Bye bye.